Today's video is brought to us by Eayon Hair. They sent me over 3 packs of their new loose deep wave crochet hair in 18 inches. But this isn't your typical crochet hair. This hair is designed specifically for braids. I say specifically for braids because the thread that's holding the hair together is much longer than your traditional crochet. So you definitely wouldn't be able to use this in a traditional crochet style, but you can use it for braids or even tree braids. The threads on these strands are micro thin. As you can see, the piece that I'm pulling off here, in this one piece alone, there's about 5 to 7 strands alone. This design not only makes the thread undetectable, but also makes it reusable. And if you want to add more volume, you can double or triple up the strands. Prepping for this was super easy and mess-free, and I only used 1 pack of 32-inch braiding hair. Now let's get into this install, starting with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. As y'all can see, my little pixie is growing some inches. We are well on our way to waist length. And my usual pre-parting method, I just part off the rows in the front and then I connect them in the back. As always, the products I use are from the Braided Beauty collection, and my start time is 3:09 p.m. I'm hoping to keep this under 5 hours. First row is in. Remember, I don't add a lot of hair at the base because we don't want a lot of hair on our neck. In the areas where my hair is really fine, I like to start off the braid with the braiding hair, so I only add in 3 pieces of the braiding hair. To begin adding in the boho pieces, I grab the thread with my thumb and my index finger, the one that is holding the middle leg of the braid, and then I pull one end of the piece upward and begin braiding down with the thread in hand. The thread is pretty long, so it's going to be a while before I can get another piece out. If I was going to do more of a spaced out style, then this would be perfect, but I want this to be very full and fluffy, so I went ahead and added in a second piece about 3 rotations down, added in my third piece about another 3 rotations down, until I just started building them up. If you're not handy with adding in the pieces, then you can very well crochet them in. Just keep in mind that the threads are pretty long, so it may take you a while to get them all crocheted in. But if this is something that you do want to reuse, another way you can save coins is just to get your braids done and then add in your boho pieces later. As you can see, I just pulled out the hair when I got to the end of each thread. When I got to the end of the braid, I made sure that there was at least one hanging, and then I used my braid sealer to seal off the ends. Remember, this only works if you're using synthetic braiding hair because you need that piece to burn. Once I get closer to the top and around the perimeter, I like to add a piece in at the root. So I'm just starting like I would normally with my thumb and index finger, connecting it to the middle leg, and I begin braiding. Then I add in my braiding hair and continue the pattern. You'll also see that the closer I get to the front and the top, I'm adding in more of the boho pieces. Since I'm going for maximum volume, I want to keep that volume at the top and around the perimeter. So in the first 3 rows, I might have only added 3 or 4 of the pieces. When I got closer to the top, it was more looking like 5 or 6 pieces per braid. You'll also notice that in some places where I pulled out a piece, the thread shows a little bit, but that's the beauty of this. The thread is so micro thin, even if a little bit of it is out, it is undetectable. The thread is also so very thin. If you wanted to beef this up, you could double, triple, or even quadruple them up. That's how thin it is. It will fit inside the braid and be undetectable. So here we are, we've made it to the halfway mark. The first 4 rows are in. I only have 3 more rows to go. Not too bad on time. I'm right at 2 hours and 10 minutes. So I can't necessarily say that this type of hair helps you speed up the process. What I can say is that it helps you with the process in general. So, you know, when you have boho hair and it's all loose and you have to separate it and you have to grab it, and if it falls, like all of that stress and all those headaches just go away with this type of hair. Which is also an added bonus. Absolutely no shedding. When I tell you the threads on this hair is so strong, I was pulling and tugging, brushed a couple of them out, not a single hair came off. Here I am on the last 2 rows, and I'm actually kind of loading these ones up with whatever I had left from the 3 packs. The top of the head also takes me a little bit longer because you know you have to put your hands over your head, and that can get kind of tiring pretty fast. And honestly, if I were to do this on a client, it probably would take me just as long to do, simply because it's the braiding process itself. But what I have learned over the years of braiding my own hair, start early. 3 o'clock seems to be the sweet spot for me. When I try to start my hair late at night and it goes into 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, I just really be hating life. So note to self, make sure that I'm well rested and I don't have to take any breaks and I can get this done in no time. And don't be talking about my lashes in these comments now. I didn't even know that it was doing its own thing until I edited this video. But hey, I'm in the home stretch. I only got 4 braids to go, so who cares about that lash? So here we are complete. It is 7:43 p.m. right at 4 hours and 34 minutes, leaving me more than enough time to take my shower, put my PJs on, do my nightly scroll, and be in the bed early. I think if you want that true Bora Bora look, this loose deep wave is exactly what you want to go with. Look at how bouncy and full and luscious these curls are. The hair is incredibly lightweight. It is 100% human. You can curl it, you can dye it, and I think I might attempt straightening it. What do you think? This ponytail look is just everything. It's so cute. As always, if you learned something new, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and tell a friend. Special thanks to our friends over at Eayon Hair for sponsoring today's video. Links and discount codes can be found in the description box below. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button on your way out so you don't miss content like this every week. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!